So if you happen to have a bad wheel hub bearing, this is what it could sound like. So hey guys and girls, so we have just fixed the front left or front driver's side wheel bearing, wheel hub bearing, wheel hub assembly, whatever you want to call it. So you saw in the other videos that when you moved it would make noise. It obviously made a large noise when we were up to speed. It's all gone, everything's silky smooth. I didn't realize until I had put on my summer tires how bad it was. My winter tires are quite noisy, so it was masking a lot of the sound, not all of it, but a lot of it from that front wheel bearing. There was obviously some friction or a little bit of grinding in there, and that's all gone. Everything is silky smooth. Now this is a Ford Flex, the vehicle that it was replaced on, and I had issues getting the rear ones off, so much so that I had to take it into a mechanic to get it fixed. So I knew that there could be a problem again, so that's why I took the vehicle into a mechanic again, same mechanic that I trust, and he was basically saying that he got called in, or he had heard a bunch of noise in the back, couldn't figure out what was going on, and the two mechanics were just fighting to try to get the old hub assembly off. And I think what the issue is, just from talking to the mechanic and from doing some research, that the knuckle is aluminum, or there's some aluminum parts in there somewhere, and steel and aluminum don't get along, and it's almost like it welds itself to one to the other. So it takes a tremendous amount of force and effort to get it off. And even though I had bearing pullers, like hub assembly pullers, gear jaw pullers, I had slide hammer pullers, all kinds of stuff to try to get these things off. When I tried to do the rears, it wasn't happening. It was so ignorant. So if you guys and girls are having loud noise, especially when you turn the vehicle, it's louder one way when you're turning than the other, it could indicate that you have a bad hub bearing or wheel bearing, and it's time to get it fixed. So if you found the video informative, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't find it informative or had some issues with it, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments. You got any questions, put them down in the comments. If you want, hit that subscribe button. I'm adding content like this all the time. Could be car related, house related, maintenance, house maintenance, yard maintenance, all kinds of stuff. Just stuff that I think that you viewers will find interesting, informative, and helpful, and maybe save you some money and time and whatnot. So until the next video, take her easy.